Ever wanted to completely change your hairstyle in a photo, turning it into a vibrant masterpiece? Alright everyone, let's dive right into Adobe Photoshop and learn how to give a digital makeover and change the hair color first. Open your image in Photoshop, head over to the Layers panel. It's usually on the right side of your screen. Next, duplicate your background layer by right-clicking on it and choosing Duplicate Layer. This keeps your original image safe. We'll be using the brush tool located in the toolbar on the left. Pay close attention to the hair's edges. Zoom in and select the hair, carefully painting around the edges until the hair has a good selection. Once your hair selection is as precise as you'd like, go to the menu bar and select, then Refine Edge. Adjust the smooth and feather settings to soften the edges for a better, natural looking result. Set your output to 2 new layer with layer mask and click OK. This will provide a new layer for us to work on. Now, with the new layer created, go to the Layers panel again and click the FX icon at the bottom. Select the Color Overlay option. A new window will appear. In that window, click on the color swatch, and from there the color picker will appear. Choose your new hair color. To make our color blend naturally with the original hair, play with the blend mode options in the layer panel. Start with multiply or color dodge and adjust the opacity until you get the perfect, natural look for your makeover. And there you have it. Hair transformation complete. Photoshop is your friend. Have fun with your new editing skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out other videos.